Hey everybody, this is Leslie and you're watching Midlife and Nailing It. If you could please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, I'd really appreciate it. Today I have for you a video on the product Colorstreet nails. I'm going to show you what comes in each little kit and how to use it and the finished result. So let's get started. Hey everybody, so I thought I would show you really quick this photo, so feel free to laugh at me, but this is what I went through to get the gel nail polish off of my nails. So I know probably a few of you were in the same boat, but yeah, so this is what I did. Okay everyone, so this is what my nails look like right now. I don't have anything on them, so they're ready to go. I went ahead and filed my nails yesterday, so I don't need to do that today. So yeah, I'm ready to put my kit on. This is what a Colorstreet kit looks like. It's actually nail wraps, but they're made out of 100% real nail polish. So when you put them on, it magically becomes nail polish. It's crazy. I really recommend this product. I used to use this product all of the time, but now that I get my nails done, I haven't, and I have some of these kits left over, which of course come in handy right now since we can't go get our nails done. So I'm going to go ahead and open this kit up and show you what's in it, and then I'll show you the other products I recommend that you have on hand to apply. Okay guys, before I opened it up, I actually wanted to show you on the back, they do have the directions. They're so easy to follow. And then of course, that's their website, colorstreet.com, and I will include a link to that website in my description box below. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened. So each kit comes with two strips. They're on top of one another, but there's actually two strips of all these nail sizes, and so you can kind of play around with them and decide which ones fit your nails best. And I've decided to use this blush pink color that I still had and hadn't used. It also comes with two nail prep pads. They're just single-use pads that you discard after use, one for each hand. And these are just pretty much rubbing alcohol, I think. You want to make sure that you use these, you guys, because if you have any debris or any moisturizer even, or any kind of anything on your nails, it can screw up your nail wrap. So you want to make sure that you do this step. It's super important. And then every nail kit comes with this little file here, and I'll show you how I use this to get my nails on in a minute here. And then I highly recommend that you have scissors on hand. And then I'm using this Cuticle Pusher. I used to have this little tiny wood tool that I liked better, but for the life of me I couldn't find it. So I'm going to make do with this. And then I'm just using an OPI top coat here. You don't have to use this, but I do. I put on like 2 coats, and I find that my polish lasts about a week and a half total. So let me go ahead and get everything out of the packaging and we'll get started. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and sorted through what ones fit each nail best, and I just layer them on top of each other. So my thumb and the next finger, the next finger, the next finger, my pinky finger. That's what I do before I get started so that I'm ready to go. And so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do the first one, and we'll go from there. So I went ahead and got one of the wipes out, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean off my nails. And you want to make sure that you clean them super good, because it will mess up if there's anything on your nails. So I've got my nails all cleaned up, and I'm getting ready to apply the nail wraps. So what you're going to do is there is a protective layer on each one, and you're going to just peel that off. Don't peel that layer off or take it out of the packaging it comes in until you're right about ready to use it, because they'll dry out. And then what you're going to do is you grab this silver tab and you peel it this way. And the cool thing about these is if you screw up in any ways, you could save the other side, but I'm kind of lazy with that, so I'm not going to do that. But you could use your scissors and cut it in case you mess up. You might want to do that at first when you first get started doing these if you've never done them before. So you're going to try to line this up as closely as you can, and then you're just going to smooth it, press really hard and smooth it on your nail. You want to make sure you start coming over the top edge of your nail right here. And then you could use scissors to trim this. I don't. You could. My scissors are here in case I want them. And then you take your file, and what you want to do is you want to run the file over the top of your nail, but you want to make sure you do it at this down angle. If you do it dead on, you could mess up the very top of your nail, and you don't want to do that. I've done that before because I didn't do it right, but it's super simple once you get the hang of it. And so I'm just going around, and it kind of seals it off and breaks off the polish. Hold on, I didn't get over there real good. And then that just peels right off, you guys, and that's it. That's all that you do. This is kind of an opaque color. They have all kinds of colors, and then they have some that has designs on them as well. But I'm using this color for now. So I'm going to go ahead with my next nail on this hand. So remember, you take off the protective plastic that's on the top, and then you peel it where the silver little tab is. And you can touch it to move it around and stuff. That's not going to hurt anything. And then I'm just going to place it on top of my nail. And you're going to smooth it out. And it smooths out so super easy, you guys. And if you have some edging problem on the side there, that's why I've got my Cuticle Pusher, so that I can come in and kind of push it down on the side. Or if I had a little bit of excess on the side, you would just come in and push down on it and just scrape it away. So I'm going to go ahead and come through with my file again. I might want to get this real close. At the diagonal down angle is what I would recommend. And then it just peels right away. And so I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my nails, and then I'll show you what they look like once I've done that. Okay guys, so this is what that polish looks like on, and I'm going to go ahead and get my 2 coats of top coat on, and I'm just using the OPI top coat. That's all I'm doing. And you don't have to do this. I think it makes the nails last a little longer, but this is completely optional. They don't even tell you to do this. I just do this. So I'm going to go ahead and finish getting my couple coats on, and I will show you what my nails look like once the OPI top coat has dried. Okay guys, so my nails are completely dry, and they did turn out to just be, they're kind of hard to see on camera. They're like a pink opaque color. They're very pretty and very simple and subtle, which works out well while we're quarantining. And I do want to let you guys know that the Colorstreet does come off with just regular nail polish, just like everyday nail polish would come off. And so I'll go ahead and put a link to Colorstreet in my description box below. I would put the lady that I went through to get these, but she doesn't do it anymore. And I think I won these, but yeah. I've got a few of these left. Obviously, that one up there is more for Christmas and St. Patrick's Day. But then I also have this company. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. It's called Jamberry. So the wraps for these are packaged this way, and you can kind of see the colors that I have there. I bought these while I was into doing nail wraps, but I really loved the Colorstreet brand, and these are similar, I believe. I have not tried them yet. Again, these are all nail wraps I had on hand for a super long time, but it takes some heat to apply these, and I have never tried it. Maybe I'll make another video in a few weeks and show you the Jamberry. So for those of us that like to go get our nails done, of course you could just do your own nails with just regular nail polish, but this is another option that's super easy to use, so I thought I would just show you guys. I'll go ahead and include the links to Colorstreet and Jamberry below, and please let me know if you like this video in the comments or with a thumbs up, and let me know if you'd like for me to try out the Jamberry product as well and make a video out of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.